Hello everyone, if you want to feel like an ethical hacker without actually breaking anything, stick around. Today I'll show you quick Windows CMD hacks that make your life easier. Let's open the command prompt as admin for first, so press Windows S, type CMD, right click with the mouse and run as administrator. Yes, here we are. So want to know what commands are built in? Type help. So you can see it lists the basics. Now for something fun, change the window title. I will change it in CyberSick with the command title and CyberSick. You can see the title has changed. You want to clear the terminal, so type CLS. Type color help to see the color codes. These are the color codes. Try color 80. The first digit is background, while the second is text. Boom! Gray background and black text. If you want only change the text color, so do color 4. Because I want it green, I will type color 2. Want your prompt to say something, so use the command prompt CyberSick $G. Oops. Oh. Now your prompt ends with CyberSick. To return to default prompt, type prompt. If your PC feels slow because of junk files, this is quick. del/q/f/s temp / it deletes everything in your temp folder. You can check your Windows version with var. For more detail like hardware, installed patches, uptime, run systeminfo. If you want close CMD, you can type exit. Now, want a quick QR code for a website? Run curl, for example, google.com. You want your ipinfo? ipconfig. These are your ipinfo. If you want something deeper, you can type ipconfig/whole. Do you want to resolve a host name? So use nslookup and the host, for example, google.com. Check the connectivity. You can hit with ping, google.com. Or maybe you won't trace the root, you can with Tracert. google.com. By the way, ping tell you can I reach it, while Tracert show the journey and where it slow down. Think of Tracert as a Google Maps for packets. Do you want to see which Wi-Fi network your PC remembers? I love this command. Type netsh wlan show profile. These are all the Wi-Fi your computer has connected. It's important when maybe you forgot the password. netsh wlan show profile. Name equal the name of the Wi-Fi. In this case we will use iPhone, and key equal clear, and then in key content we will see the password. So that's part 1. If you liked this, hit like and subscribe. In part 2 we dive deeper into networking, diagnostic and system repair. Stay curious. Bye.